Hey guys, welcome back to another studio vlog. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me trying to expand my Jtru design business. I have a shop on Etsy and I make party decorations and gifts for people. So in my studio vlogs, you'll see me work through my orders and I'll be making them and packaging them. So hopefully you enjoy it, and without further ado, let's begin. So I just got some deliveries and I wanted to share it with you guys. I ordered more ribbons for the graduation banners, and I ordered more twine for like gift tags, and sometimes I use them for cake toppers. I tend to buy things in bulk or like bigger sizes so that it works out cheap and long run and it lasts pretty long. And also, I think a lot of people have been asking me about these bamboo sticks. They are, I think these are about 12 inches long, but I usually cut them in halves so I can use them for multiple cake toppers. And yeah, just topping up on those. And finally, I bought these compostable sleeves, so you can recycle them after, well, the customer can recycle them after they unpackage their item. So eventually all my packaging will be compostable and biodegradable. I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit the like button down below, as this will really help my channel reach out to more people, and thank you so much. So here I am just doing a rough sketch of a crown, and I know it doesn't look too great, but it's all about the end result. So let's wait and see, and I'll be illustrating this in a moment. So this is the end result. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I added the name in the middle as well. And I'm going to get this listed, and hopefully I should get my first order soon. So that is it for this week. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in regards to my business or the type of materials I use. I do often get a lot of questions on that, and I would love to be able to help you. And just before I go, I want to end my video with just letting you know that I am currently on 213 Etsy listings. I still have a long way to get to 1,000. It's been fluctuating quite a bit, but it is what it is. And if you guys are following me on this journey, then thank you so much. And do like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.